Hello, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be talking about something very, very important. These are IDs or documentation you have to do immediately you're in Italy. And then I'll be walking you through everything. This will help you in the long run, both in the short run and the long run. And if you have fear of staying, even if you don't have, it will help you in navigating everything you want to do in Italy. So please make sure you watch to the end. Yeah. So the first thing you want to do when you get here is, of course, you have your Codice Fiscale. Yeah. It's like an identity number, like our own NIN. So it is what they will use to identify you. We need it for every single thing you do here in Italy. Yes. So the way it works is that there is, if you've applied for your master's, you might actually have that number already, right? And when you have it, it is not registered. So when you get here, you can go to Agenzia dell'Entrate. So Agenzia Entrate. When you get there, they will actually make sure now that it's registered for you, and then you can now use it officially. So the one you have, maybe when you are generating your credentials online for your master's portal or likes, it's just for registration and all. You now officially register it when you get to um, Italy. So just go to Agenzia Entrate, they will give you that card that will consist. It will look like a card, and then later on they will do that card for you. It is free, you don't pay for it. Yeah, so you have that card for you, so you use it for basically everything that you do. Yeah. So another one after that, which you go about, within 8 days that you get here, you must go to the questura. Questura is like the uh police office, or immigration office. Yeah, let me put it like that. It is joined together. So you go to questura in your region, and then you apply for permit of stay. They call it Permesso di Sogiorno. So Permesso di Sogiorno, you apply for it, and within 8 days that you come. And then, of course, part of what you will need is you need to take with you accommodation, your contract of accommodation. But don't worry if you don't even have all of those, some of the documents, because what you do is that you go to the post office to take the kit, you fill it. I'm sure that um, you will get it, you will get how to fill it in your school or something. But if not, let me know in the comment section. I can also do a video where I explain and go through, everything you need to fill very well, so you don't make any mistakes. So when you go to the post office, you can take that kit, you fill it, and then afterward you attach a lot of your documents to it, your passport page, the stamped page when you enter Italy, you print it or photocopy it rather, and then attach every of the things that we need. I'm sure people that have gone ahead of you also take you through everything. So you now take it back to that post office, and then you pay a total of 116 euros, for 1 year. You pay it there, they will give you this receipt and then your appointment date. So for some documents that are not there, you can also take it with you when you go for your appointment at Questura. You understand? So yeah, you get your permit of stay. It will be ready depending on the region. It can take long, it can take short time, 1 month or more. Yeah. So when you get it, you can now, with your permit of stay, Permesso di Sogiorno, you can register your house contract. Um, that is what they call residenza. So you register your house contract, which will be very, very important for you, especially when you want to apply for long-term stay. Maybe after your studies, you get a job here, or you have the mind of staying, for a long time. So you apply it will. So this residenza is like, okay, you are now a resident of that region, and then they are counting the time you have started staying. You get, so if you don't do that residenza, you are just a student here, and they will not count it. So that is why when you get your permit of stay, when you get it, and then you have your housing contract, go and register it. There's a way you register your at the commune. Sometimes you can send the application online through a mail, and then the person will come to your house to teach, and then they meet you at home. They will have called you, okay, they are coming at this particular time. Will you be around? Yeah. So you get there, they just know, oh, you are staying here, and that's it. They get your identity, and then they go. So and after that, after you have registered for that residenza, you can now apply for carta d'identità. Carta d'identità. So it's like an identity card. That one is for 10 years. So when you get it to 2023 to expire in 2033, if it is 2024, you get 10 years. And then it stands for a lot of things. If you did not do the residenza, you can't get the carta d'identità because you're not a resident, and then you can't get, the identity card. So that's how it works. But if you have it, even to log into your school website, you can use carta d'identità. It saves you a lot of things, and then it's an identity card that is, it is only, you can only use it in Italy. It's not allowed to be used anywhere else. You get, or it will save you a lot of things later on. Yeah. So the next one will be speed. So it's also like an ID, it's an Italian digital ID. It will also help you. You will see that when you want to log into your page, they will ask you, you want to entrare con speed or con carta d'identità, CID. So if you say CID, that's the carta d'identità, you can enter with it. If it is with speed, you can enter with it. So it will help you a lot with many things. You will get access to enter into government website and the like. So these are the documentation we really, really encourage you to start making efforts to have as soon as you get here. Don't sleep on it, so that it will help you. Even if you are not planning to stay for long, it will still help you navigating a lot of things when you get here. Don't say I didn't tell you. So if you have any other question, any video you want to talk about, kindly put it in the comment section. Let the discussion continue in the comment section. All right, till we meet again next time. Take care. Ciao.